Hi, this is Esther White, and I just wanted to go over with you about how to use Kindle on a laptop. After you download the app and open it up, you come to this screen. This is all of some of the books that I've downloaded down through time. And you'll see right here in the library it has all of the books, the downloaded books, the collections if you want to add some, and then if you want to specify a particular collection. So I wanted to look at the downloaded book that I have today. To get into the book, you just click on it and it opens up and there's the book. If you want to go to a particular part of the book, you wanted to see the cover or table of contents, or you just want to begin reading. The little arrows helps you go to the next page and start reading the book, reading this story. And what's neat about this one is you can, anything that you want to learn about, like if you want to find locations. And there they are. You can read about those. Or say lawyers. 55. So you can read all about the lawyers in this story without having to go through and find them for yourself. So if you want to go back, or if you want to go forward, say we want to go to the beginning and start reading, and you just use your arrows to get through to the story. The good thing about Kindle on a laptop is that you can take it wherever you go. During the summer you can read books while you're on a trip, and it makes it easy to keep reading. The one thing that studies have shown that helps students stay at the grade level that they are during the summer is to read. Students who read during the summer are better prepared for school in the fall than those who don't. A lot of time if you don't read, you lose part of that grade level during the summer. So this is how that you would use Kindle on the laptop. You can go to the library. You can't download books from Kindle. What I've done is gone to Amazon, and Kindle Unlimited has free downloads, and that's what a lot of these books are. So, enjoy reading. Thank you.